Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring printed glass door designs for washrooms. If you are looking to add style and personality to your bathroom, printed glass doors are an excellent option. Let's dive into some ideas. One popular option is floral printed glass doors. These designs bring a touch of nature into your bathroom. The patterns can range from subtle to bold, depending on the look you want. Floral designs can add elegance and warmth, making your washroom feel inviting and relaxing. For those who love a creative touch, there are abstract printed designs. These designs are more artistic, featuring unique patterns that look like modern art. The abstract style adds a creative flair, making your bathroom feel like a personalized space. This is great if you want a one-of-a-kind look. Another beautiful option is nature-inspired prints. Think of designs like trees, birds, or waves. These patterns bring an organic and calming vibe to your washroom, perfect for anyone who loves nature. The soft, natural themes help create a peaceful and spa-like atmosphere. Printed glass doors are not only functional but also a stylish way to add personality to your bathroom. From floral patterns to geometric shapes, and from frosted privacy doors to luxurious designs, there is something for every taste and style. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home design inspiration.